Everything relative. I got a 35th anniversary Chevy Camaro SS 2002, 35th anniversary. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of, like, from a buy, I would never buy this car. I'm good. But I'll fucking drive the hell out of it. I would not mind stepping on this bitch. After look, I don't know if this is one of the differences, if it's a lighter version, because I've seen this car before and it's like, it's metal for the most part. It's just metal, but the door on this, it looked like it was damaged, and it didn't look like, it wasn't dented, it was like broken. It was like, it looked like I want to say fabric, but that's not the right word. Fiber. I don't know. It's a material that's lighter, I think. Yeah, I know it's lighter. I just don't know the name of it. Something fiber. It's like a type of fiber. Look it up. Google. 2002. 35th edition. Camaro. That's us. Intended as the last special edition Camaro to be built, offered the 35th SS in the final year of F-body production. Door. Made of fiberglass. Fiber. Oops! I was that guy with the green light and letting it sitting on a green light. $29.54 in weight. I think that's light as fuck for a Camaro. I think. I don't know what they regularly go for. Even though they don't put more than 3 calls on me ever, but it's like, come on, man. Lions, bro. Just gotta ignore it. Just keep doing. I can only do 1 vehicle at a time, so. Or 2, but technically 1. I could drive with 2 vehicles on the bed in this truck. Technically, I can only do 1 at a time. Like, I could pick 1 up at a time. I could load 1. And from a time perspective, it equates to the same thing. Give me 2 cars, gonna average out to about 2 hours, no matter what. It's just the name of the game. But yeah, haven't dropped this one. They're starting to throw calls on me. But I guess because this is a short tow, maybe that's why they're doing it. I don't know. I just don't like it. But what I like or don't like doesn't matter. In terms of if I'm working for somebody else and stuff that happens on a day-to-day basis, just gotta deal with it. Just gotta deal with it. Or go home. I remember the fucking dude that owns this company. He was like, if you don't start something, or I don't know what, go home and never come back. Just fire me, bro. I ain't gonna collect unemployment, I promise. I'm not that dude. That's not what I'm looking for. Get out that truck again. Hold on, look. I'm not leaving till she gets out. She's doing all that for me. It's up for me! She ain't even fucking acknowledge my dumb ass. Even sexier when she was getting in the truck. I lost value as she got out. That skirt makes me think of this one chick that I smashed. Second to most recent girl I smashed. Her name was Ashley. That girl had a fucking skirt. It's been a while since I fucking came across a girl in a skirt. Oh. I ain't noticed she had an ass until we left. We went to Outback. When we was walking out, I looked at her ass. Nigga, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. And it was. It sure in the fuck was. But either I fucking didn't pipe her down good, or she's somewhere else in life where she ain't fucking with no nigga. Something happened where I hit her up maybe like a day or two, like 2 days after, and she didn't reply. So, took her off the board. Next! If she hits me up, believe me, I will hit that again. Cause them cheeks, I mean, it was just, oh man. Very, very nice. Hitting it, she like perked her ass back, like she made it like she knew what she was doing, like it wasn't her first time fucking, obviously. And I slid. In retrospect, I was like, damn, I could have documented it. That she had a little fucking, I was in there, I definitely was fully thinking, but in retrospect, I was like, she had a little fucking Playboy tattoo on the side of her ass and the hip, so she probably would have been about that life. And she was telling me she was into media production. I'm connecting it all now. She probably was a fucking, she liked porno stars, I don't know. She was very animated, super animated, making some sexy ass noises. I was like, damn, baby, I know my dick ain't that fat. Don't stroke a nigga ego, goddammit. But fuck, that shit worked. Because when it came down to get down, it went down. Bus station and citations, just like the Auto Nation that I'm pulling up on. I tried to hit on this girl too, but she was like, I commented, I was like, yo, you get hit on a lot, huh? You get hit on by a lot of dudes. Anyway, I don't know if that's what I said, but I know at the end of it, I was like, so what's good? How can you and I stay connected outside of this interaction? She's like, I can't. I got a boyfriend. Damn. Like, well, with respect, you look sexy as fuck. Thank you. I won't be the dude to kick it. I mean, I'm okay with getting a no. Like, just don't be a bitch about it. Bitch, just say no. No, it's not good timing, or not looking for anything. But there's some bitches that just be acting like they're not supposed to be talked to. Like, bitch, you could say you don't want to fuck, or you could tell me you ain't interested, or you could fucking just flat out say no, or I got somebody in my life. You could say so many ways instead of, and still get the end result the same. But there's some bitches that act like they shit don't stink, and like you supposed to know that they are in a relationship or that they not looking. Like, you supposed to know that. And then we have this dynamic where I know a lot of girls have turned the other way because of fucking the lack of courage when it comes to men approaching them. It's just a weird cycle and a weird phase of life. Weird to me because I come from a time where it's like approaching, at least for me, it was always natural. Approaching girls is like a must. And I guess I'm not as happy as my results. Happy because of the results I get now. But it's okay, I just gotta keep going. I'm gonna unload this beast and keep enjoying life the best I can.